Alright, here is one of my neighbor's Carrier Comfort heat pumps. It has a Copeland scroll compressor. Gentech fan motor. And it has been running. There's the reversing valve. Yeah, yeah, that was working amazing. It's from 2011, and it's a 3.5 ton. 13's here. I would love to get this defrosting. But yeah, maybe even to get a startup of it. It's probably been running. But yeah. There it is. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.